Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change Windows 10 login screen. In order to do that, you just have to right-click the empty space on your desktop and then select Personalize. This will transfer you to Personalization settings. Here you have to select lock screen on the left side of the window and then expand the list of backgrounds and select which one suits you the most. By default you have the Windows Spotlight background, which sets a random wallpaper on your lock screen every once in a while. Now if you select picture, you can either choose one of the default pictures right here, or you can select browse and browse for the photo in your file explorer. Additionally, you can select Slideshow and select a folder with photos to set on your background, and you can also switch the toggle to the left if you don't want to get any facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. And right here below you can show first of all you can show which app to show detailed status about on the lock screen, and apps to show the quick status of on the lock screen. To do that, you have to just click this plus icon and then select which applications you want to put on your lock screen. And that's how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.